Hi, I'm Mrs. Christine Filipek, and I'll be teaching pre-physics with My Fun Science. There are so many things that are around us, things that we use, daily objects, even the different things that we do that all go along with physics. And we're going to learn the laws behind that and understand how things happen, why things happen, even some of the mathematical formulas to understand why things happen. We're not going to spend a lot of time with the math that goes behind it. This is just our pre-physics class. But we're going to start studying the laws of motion and understanding the formulas that go behind that. We're going to study magnetism and electricity, and we're going to get into all different types of aspects of pre-physics so we can get a basic understanding. We're also going to take a lot of time this year to do some different experiments and learn how to write a lab report. As we get into science, and all scientists have to do some sort of writing, we're going to learn the importance of the writing process of making a lab report. And so that's kind of an interesting aspect of our science class. I hope that you'll enjoy coming along this journey with me as we learn about some of the different things that make our world work.